Welcome student, this is fourth video of chapter 7 decimal from RS, and in this we are doing decimal, subtraction of decimal and addition of decimal we have done. Now we will simplify the decimal. Simplify means we have to add and subtract according to the DMAS rule. This is the question, exercise 7D, 11th question. 37.6, 72.85 minus 58.678 minus 6.09. Then first step, convert into like decimal. Then 37.600. 3 decimal place is the maximum decimal place. So we convert all these in 3 decimal place. 8.678 already 3 decimal. 90. 3 decimal place we have converted. Now we have to simplify. 37 plus 72, these two will be added. Then 58 minus subtracted, and this is also minus subtracted. So first add these two, we can do vertically and horizontally. This question I am doing horizontally, next we will try to do vertical. Then add these one, 110.450 minus 58.678 minus 6090. So we can subtract this from that also, or we can first add these two, because negative integer we have done. Negative integer, negative can be added and sign will be negative, but we will subtract these two. Then subtract these two. Subtraction of these two is this, then subtract 6.090 and then 45.682. We have already done subtraction of decimal. So this is the answer. Next 12th question. 12th question is 75.3 minus 104.645 plus 178.96 minus 47.9. This is the question. So first step, convert into like decimal. 75.300 minus 104.645 plus 178.960 minus 47.900. This is the like decimal. Now we have to solve this. Plus 75 minus 104. These two will be subtracted. Plus 178 minus 47. So first we add. Plus sign, we add these two because addition is there, addition we will add these two. Then 104 will be subtracted because there is negative sign. Okay, now we have arranged this. First add these two and then subtract this, as same as first question we have done. Okay, then 75.300. Here I am doing the vertical method. Add these two. 0, 6, 12, 14, 252. This is added. Plus sign will be there. Next step, minus. Then 254.260 minus 104.645. This will be subtracted. 5, 1, 6, 9, 4, 1. Subtraction, this will come. Again minus 47, and this will also subtracted. 149.615, 47.900. Subtraction. 5, 1, subtraction 7, 1, 0. 1017 101.715. This is the answer. This is the vertical method. I've done stepwise. Okay. 13th question, just try to do it yourself. Next 14th question, 76.3 minus 73, convert it to like decimal. Vertical method I am doing. 76.300, 7 minus 6, 6. Subtract this. 4, 3, 6, 8 and 6. And then next is minus 6, 7, 7, 0. Subtract this. 61.864. This is the answer. Okay, this is a simplification. Next is word problem. First, 15th question is, what is to be added 74 to get 91? Simple. You have to subtract 74 from 91. Try it yourself. 16th question, what is to be subtracted from? What is to be subtracted from 7.3 to get 0.862? 7.3 में से हम क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करके हमें 0.8 मिले? So required number is this. आपको ये लाइन लिखनी है. Then do the sum. What is the required number and how we'll get? We subtract 0.862 from 7.3. We got our answer. So 7.3062, and in like decimal 7.300 minus 0.862. Subtract these two. 8, 3, 4, 6. So this is the answer. This is to be subtracted from 7.3. We get 0.862. 17, by how much should this be increased to get that? 23 को हम कितना इंक्रीज करें कि हमें 50 मिले? So subtract 23 from 50. Again try it yourself. 18th question is, by how much should 84.5 be decreased to get 27? So required number is, the required decimal is 84.5 minus 27.84. इसको हम कितना डिक्रीज करें कि हम 27 पे पहुँचे? ये लाइक डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. 84.500 minus 27.84. You need to put only 1 0 because 2 decimal. Then subtract these two. You know the subtraction. This is the answer. 18th question is done. 19th question, if the school bag of Neelam and Garima weigh this and this, whose bag is heavier and by how much? So you have to compare and then how much? Subtract these two. Do it yourself. 20th question, again about problem. So write down statement. Kunal purchased a notebook for rupees 19.75 and a pencil for this and pen for that. He gave 50 rupees to the shopkeeper. What amount did he get back? तो 2 स्टेप में आपका सम होगा. पहले हम कॉस्ट निकालेंगे कि उसने स्पेंड कितना किया है. कॉस्ट ऑफ नोटबुक की कॉस्ट कितनी है? रुपीज़ 19.75. कॉस्ट ऑफ पेंसिल रुपीज़ 3.85 एंड कॉस्ट ऑफ पेन रुपीज़ 8.35. Okay. Now the total cost. ये टोटल कॉस्ट निकाल लेंगे सबको ऐड करके. 2 डेसिमल प्लेस ही है, नो नीड ऑफ कन्वर्जन. सो यू हैव टू ऐड दिस 75 प्लस 3.85 प्लस 8.35. ऐड दिस at this one 31.95. This much money he spent. So money spent is rupees 31.95 and money he gave to shopkeeper rupees 50. So money return back. What amount he get back? Amount he get back equal to, subtract, convert into lakh decimal. Now you have to subtract these two. So after subtraction we get rupees 18.05. So this much money he will get back. Next question, 21st, Sunita purchased 5 kg of fruit, 3 kg of vegetable and put them in a bag. If this bag with these contain weight 9 kg, find the weight of empty bag. This is also same as the 20th question. You have to add these two and then subtract this from this 9 kg. Do it yourself. Last question, the distance between Rita house and her office is 14 km. She covered this much 10 km by scooter, this by bus and the rest on foot. The 21st and 22nd, these two are also similar. So 21st just try to yourself and 22nd I am doing here. Is also in 2-step. Distance covered by scooter 3 km 75 मीटर. ठीक, 75 मीटर. इसको हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे मीटर में, किलोमीटर में डेसिमल पुट कर दिया. 075 कन्वर्जन वी हैव ऑलरेडी नो. Sorry students, this distance is covered by bus. And distance covered by scooter is 10 km 65 मीटर. ये डिस्टेंस उसने स्कूटर से कवर किया 10.065 किलोमीटर. डेसिमल पुट कर दिया. टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर्ड ऐड कर लेंगे इन दोनों को. 10.065 3.075 add these one 10 14 and 13. This much kilometer distance she covered and rest she covered by foot. The total distance from of house to office is 14 किलोमीटर. इतना डिस्टेंस है. एंड डिस्टेंस कवर्ड इज 13.140 किलोमीटर. इतना डिस्टेंस उसने कवर कर लिया. रेस्ट डिस्टेंस उसने फुट से कवर किया, ऑन फुट. सो डिस्टेंस कवर्ड ऑन फुट इज 14 किलोमीटर माइनस 13.14 किलोमीटर. टोटल डिस्टेंस में से जो डिस्टेंस उसने कवर कर लिया है उसे हम माइनस कर देंगे. लाइक डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट कर लोगे. सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस 0 6 9 minus 8 and here 0. This much kilometer or 860 meter is the distance covered on foot. This is the answer. So this is our last question of exercise 7D or the chapter 7 decimal. So chapter 7 decimal is completed. So stay home and keep on learning.